Okay, so this morning we are going to do some mango grafting. So here's my grafting kit. We got the paraffin tape, knife, scissors, and the zip tied. So let's go. Okay, so this is the lemon zest. I think it's about 8, 9, 10 years old. I'm not so sure. I don't remember. Probably 10. Yeah, I got it from probably 9, 10 years old. Got it from Plantogram. So it's in a pot. And here's the cuttings that I'm gonna use for the graft that I'm gonna do this morning. So I'm gonna go snip a couple of the cuttings. That looks like a good one because it looks like it's about ready to emerge. So I'm going to use another one. Okay, so I'm gonna go do the mother tree. To graft it onto the one in the greenhouse, the Mahachanook. Okay, so this is a Mahachanook, 10-year-old. Inside the greenhouse, and I found a part here. This is the one that I'm going to grab it onto. Okay, a spot for it. So this one seems like it didn't make it. So I'm gonna remove that. Okay, so this one is didn't make it. So it's turning black. So I'm going to remove it. Okay, so I'm going to basically prepare this part. So this is a lemon zest cutting. A little bit tough there, so I'm gonna have to use a Okay. And I also prepare the other, remove the leaves as well on this one right here. So it's gonna go onto it like so. Let's see. Like this. Okay, so it's hard to do a video in here inside the greenhouse. Okay, so that's done right there. See, I think I did a good job on it. So this one, the one I cut off that didn't take, and then below, right below it, this one here, I think I did this too last time and that didn't take. So I'm gonna give it one more try with this other cuttings and do it right here on this one. Right there. So gonna give it one more try. Okay, so I stuck it in there. So you see the brown area, that was a heel from the last unsuccessful grafting. So I'm gonna give it one more try. Now I'm gonna wrap it up. Okay, looks like, there you go. Let's see, it's done. Let's see. This is the PPK seedling that I grew from seed from my tree that fruited last year. So it's about 1 year old. It went through one winter. So pretty tall. It's about almost 2 foot. And then the other one as well, there were two seeds that I was able to germinate. And that one is much taller. It's probably 2.5 foot tall. So went through one winter. Looks like it's also pushing out new. It's about to push out new growth right there. It's like 2.5 foot. Grows really fast. And this is I grafted a whole bunch of stuff on this tree too, so they push out new leaves right now. And then let's check out the grafting I did about a month ago, early August, on this tree. Look at that mahachan. Look, things turning yellow, and I'm going to pick it. So look at all the new growth on this tree. All new growth. Oh, this one I think I did about a week ago. So let's see this one. It's looking good. I don't remember the variety I grafted on them, so I didn't, too lazy to label them. put the tag. There's also lots of spider too. Look at all these spider webs. I've been pretty much trying to remove it every few days, and they just keep on coming back like crazy, the spider web.